How to buy Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can buy Amazon Prime video subscription. So then to begin with, make sure to check your internet connection and then open up a web browser of your choice. And then on the web address bar, type in amazonprimevideo.com. So while creating your account, you can just get a subscription, free trial period. Then what you can do is you can create an account, and after that, go to your account section. In my case as well, I have a free trial period. As soon as you click on the profile icon, go to your account, which is right on top. So after you click on the profile icon, go to account section under your account. It's going to direct you to the page. So for the confirmation, you'll be asked to provide in the email address or the phone number associated with your Prime Video account. Click on the continue button. You'll also be asked to type in the password. Now quickly enter in the password. Now it's going to direct you to your account information page where you'll be able to make changes with the information, as well as you'll be able to get a premium account. As you can see that I don't have a premium account, so click on the sign up button. First of all, you'll be asked to select the plan. So accordingly, select the plan and then go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be asked to set up a payment method. So for that, you'll be asked to select whether you want to make a payment through a credit card, debit card, or maybe net banking or other UPI apps such as Google Pay, PayPal and all that. So select either one of these and then enter in the information accordingly. After that, select the expiry date, click on enter card details, which is right up here. And this is going to take you to the information page, whether you want to use this particular same address or not. So if you want to use the same address, click on use this address and click on the continue button right at the bottom. And if your card is valid enough, then you'll be able to see the statement as successfully that your card has been added and is available for a purchase. So you can just go ahead and manage your account, and that is how you can get a premium account on Amazon Prime. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.